So how can you add the Google Sheets shortcuts to the iPhone home screen? And let me explain that how it works. So if this is your first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss anything important. So you are probably using your Google Sheets application, right? It might be fine, whatever, but the point is that you cannot really add the individual file to the home screen. So what you can do is to locate your spreadsheet in here, tap on a share, and I want you to just copy the link from this, right? So you can open up, just copy the link, then move over to your Safari web browser, type the link like this, and you can see that it's going to open it up within the, Safari website or whatever. And right now you have the ability to click on the three dots within Safari, tap on a share, and click on the plus button to add it to the home screen, right? So you will essentially bring the direct shortcut for that particular spreadsheet file directly on your home screen, right? So you will have it it will behave or look like an actual application, right? So you can choose some different logo for it or whatever, right? And it will try to, you'll be able to open it up and it will not look like a Safari website. It kind of looks like a separate application, if that makes sense, but you can see that this is how you can add it to the home screen. So I really hope that I can help you out with this. You'll have a quick access to your spreadsheets in here, so it gets the job done. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.